If you suspect you are having an issue hearing and understanding, you probably are. The other issue is on an age per se, 40, 45, if you're struggling. On average, Ronnie, it takes 7 years for a person with hearing loss to come in for testing. And that's usually because family and friends are, egging them on and saying, you're having difficulty hearing and understanding. Well, if your family's talking to you and suggesting that there might be an issue because you're constantly saying what, that's a good time. You don't need an age. You need feedback from your family and know that you are asking people to repeat, you're turning up the TV louder than other people, you have ringing and buzzing sounds in your ears, which is called tinnitus, or as we talked about before, you're feeling stressed and tired from working so hard to hear and understand. Those are all signs of hearing loss, which you can use to make a good choice to come in.